It was lovely experiencing the OSM workshop, and I'm thankful to my college who has given me the opportunity to be a part of the TomTom company, and it was lovely experiencing the corporate world and getting an ideas about it.
It has been a great experience here, exploring the field of mapping, and it was really interesting and we learned a lot.
It was such a wonderful experience. We got to learn about various new things, including OpenStreetMapping, which was so much fun. And I would really like to thank Indira College of Arts, Commerce and Science for such a good opportunity.